Buying a car in London or any other city in the UK is quite easy, but getting a driving license is much more challenging. Actually, getting a UK London driving license is very important. That's why it's crucial to know the steps to follow to obtain a driving license after arriving in the UK. In this video, we will give you an overview of all the steps required to complete the UK or London driving license process. However, today we will only discuss the steps, because explaining the entire process in detail would make the video too long. That's why we will create separate detailed videos for each step, and you will find the links in the description box. So, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon to stay updated whenever we upload new videos. You know, driving in the UK or London is not a luxury or a hobby, nor is it something only the rich people can afford. Here, having a car and a driving license is a necessity. Without it, life can become quite complicated. Having a UK driving license saves a lot of time. Moreover, if you have a UK driving license, you can easily find better job opportunities. And if you bring your home country's driving license, you can drive for up to 1 year. However, if you plan to stay in the UK long term, obtaining a UK driving license is a must. It is extremely important, and you will need it for a long stay. That's why you should apply for a provisional driving license as soon as possible. So, if you want to know how to get a driving license in the UK, watch this video till the end. After watching, you will have a clear overview of the entire process. Today, we will share the step-by-step process of obtaining a UK or London driving license. Now, Step 1, apply for provisional driving license. The first step is applying for a provisional driving license. As soon as you arrive in the UK or London, you should apply for it, because the provisional driving license is the first step to getting a UK driving license. This marks the beginning of your driving journey. Without it, you cannot take driving lessons or appear for any tests. So, how do you apply for a provisional driving license? Which website should you use? What documents are required? Or how much does it cost? We will upload a detailed video covering all these questions. You will find the link in the description box. Step 2, book a date for the theory test. As soon as you receive your provisional driving license, you must book a date for the theory test. In the UK, getting a slot for the theory test can take a long time. Booking a date for the theory test is quite challenging because slots are limited. Actually, it's important to book your test as early as possible. So, how do you book the test? What tips can help you get an earlier date? We will cover all of this in detail in our upcoming video. The link will be available in the description. Step 3, prepare for the theory test. Once you have booked your theory test, it's time to prepare for it. But how should you prepare? There are 2 ways to prepare for the theory test. For theory test, which books should you study? Where can you find these books? What apps should you use? How much do the apps cost? And what strategies should you follow for preparation? We will explain all of this in detail in our separate video, and you will find the link in the description. Step 4, theory test process. During the theory test, you will be tested on your knowledge of road rules, regulations, road signs, and safety measures. Many people wonder what kind of questions will appear in the test, what they need to do, or what documents they need to bring. The theory test consists of 2 parts. Number 1 is multiple choice questions MCQ, and number 2 is hazard perception test. We will upload a detailed video explaining these 2 parts, and you will find the link in the description box. Step 5, book a date for the driving practical test. As soon as you pass the theory test, you should book a date for the practical driving test. Just like the theory test, getting a slot for the practical test can take a long time. Finding an available test slot on your preferred date is quite challenging. That's why booking your test date in advance is crucial. Step 6, take driving lessons. After passing the theory test, the next step is to start practical driving lessons. Since booking the test date takes time, you should begin your lessons as soon as you secure a date. For this, you need to find a good trainer and start training immediately. Your trainer must approve your skills before you can take the practical test. So, how many lessons do you need? How much do the lessons cost? And how do you pay for them? We will cover all these details in a separate video, and you will find the link in the description box. Final step, practical test process. After completing your driving lessons, it's time for the practical test. During this test, you will drive under the supervision of an examiner. The examiner will assess whether you know the driving rules and can drive safely. They will evaluate your driving skills and check various aspects of your driving. So, what exactly do they check during the test? What should you be careful about? We will provide all the details in our upcoming video. You will find the link in the description box. Once you successfully complete these steps, you will receive your UK or London driving license. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated with new videos. Also, if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section, and we will try our best to answer.